10 most beautiful bird species in the world. Green-winged macaw parrot. Parrots are known to be beautiful birds ever. However, there exists a special type of parrot known as green-winged macaw that has more in terms of beauty. With a colorful body of reddish and partly green feathers, this bird is worth viewing. It also has round yellow eyes which add on to the beauty. Stork-billed kingfisher. When you talk of kingfisher, most will confuse it with that red wine, the kingfisher. Maybe the wine is associated with the beauty of the bird. Kingfisher stock-billed is found in South India and mainly in the tropical forests. Other species of the same exists in Sri Lanka and forms part of tourists' attraction. Painted bunting. Painted bunting is very colorful indeed with a blend of blue, yellow, and orange body color. The colors of its feathers look so nice that one would think the painting was done by a real artist. This bird from North America has a biological name Passerina cirrus. Some species of painted bunting are found in gardens and forests in South Africa. Keel-billed toucan. Ramphastos sulphuratus is the biological name of this beautiful bird with two vivid body coloring, black and yellow. These two colors blend well and have featured in many weddings. One of the unique features of this lizard bird is that it can withstand hunger for many days within the nest in case the weather is unfavorable. Peafowl. Commonly known as peacock, peafowl looks beautiful from head to tail. It is large with a tail-like shade with distinctive colors. The bird looks very pretty with the spreading feathers of the tail. It is one of the birds that people like to domesticate, though it needs some special handling. For instance, the bird likes dark and shady places. Rainbow lorikeet. This bird is found in America and has 4 distinctive colors that make it look really nice. Besides, it has charming eyes and a long colorful tail. It is one of the birds that are loved by tourists. Northern oriole. The 4th most beautiful bird in the world is northern oriole, formerly of Finland and Westlands. It is a small bird that weighs around 35 grams. The black, yellow and white colors in the body of this bird makes it look pretty beautiful. Flamingo. The only bird known to coexist in any hemisphere, be it southern or western hemispheres. Flamingos are common birds that are found nearly everywhere in the world. They are known to walk and live in colonies that adds more beauty to their view. Hyacinth macaw. This bird, scientifically known as Anadoa urbanchus hyacinthus, is a pretty blue-colored bird with a nice curved beak. The traces of some yellow color around the neck and around the eyes bring the real beauty, known for a blend of blue and yellow. This bird is found in USA, New Zealand and some parts of Europe. It is known to be the most expensive species, and one would part with $1,000 in order to have one bird for domestication. Each bird weighs 2–3 kilograms depending on what it feeds on. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasant, scientifically known as Chrysolophus pictus scientifically, and wraps up the list. It is actually the top in the list of top 10 most beautiful birds. It is mainly found in Asia and some mountains in the western region of China. It has pretty color and a long and beautiful feathered tail similar to a wedding gown. Looking at the head, you might think that the head was taken for makeup, but really no. The bird was just created beautiful as it is.